All right, more construction here. Miguel here documenting the custom metal frame gate we built for Tommy in Garland, and he had this rectangular frame already, but he wanted to make sure that his gate, the metal posts connect to the other metal post, and the hinges were actually on the post, not on the wood. And normally when you build a gate, you build a wood frame. This is going to be a wood frame. You might have an X right here, X right there, or a big X like that, and the wood frame would be holding it. And then on the rails, which are these, the rails, the 2x4s, that's where you'd put the hinge on the outside. And there's 1, 2, 3 hinges on that outside, and you'd swing the door open on these 3 hinges, which it would open out. But on this gate, we got these metal hinges here. We went to a fence supply company in Sunnyvale, Texas, and they had these kind of commercial grade hinges. These worked absolutely fine. They had another set of hinges that we bought just in case these weren't going to work, but we kind of went with these because they were a little bit more not a little bit more, a lot more durable and just bigger, and they just worked flawlessly, perfectly. So all you needed was 2 hinges instead of the third one in the middle. That's the inside of the gate. Let me kind of do a panoramic of the fence. He had a 6-foot fence here, and then he's on one of those alleyways where it's like a big open area in a street. You can probably hear the traffic. There's a street. So he wanted an 8-foot fence on the back area, and then back down to 6 foot. He's got one of the alleys also that curves around. I'll show you. This is that busy street out there, and he's got this alley that kind of comes around this way, so a lot of cars come in this alley and come out that way. So this wall was a nice addition there, the 8-foot wall to complement the 6-foot fence. But let me just show how it opens. So it just opened out on that hinge, and the whole trim and everything on the bottom comes with the gate, and the trim on the top opens with the gate. Everything is on the gate. And as you come out, like I said before, you would have the hinges on the 2x4s right there, but these hinges are actually on the metal, and that makes for a really smooth opening and closing gate that doesn't have a bunch of hardware on the outside. You almost can't tell there's a gate there. See what I mean? And the other gates, you'd have 1, 2, 3 black hinges. You'd be able to see them on the wood. Now those black hinges, that hardware looks really nice, but the only hardware you see here is this one little latch. And that's the fence here. Let's go walk around the fence and kind of see it from around the side. There it is. 8-foot tall, nice circular wall that goes around this alley corner, and then down to the 6-foot side over here to save on costs. Customer opted to stay with 6 feet on the side, but it looks great the way it is right here. It looks fantastic. Some contractors opt to go a step down like that and give you a couple of steps, or one or 2 steps, but he decided to go with not the steps, but the diagonal slope like that. That's it. More Construction signing off. Another quality job done. Give us a call. Give us a shout. We are a Carrollton-based local family construction company. We build everything exterior, pretty much anything you can think of. I can pave this driveway right here. We can re-concrete the driveway. We do the roofs. We do the siding, the gutters, the fascia. We can paint the entire house. We can build you a carport right here. We can build you a gazebo, a pergola, a patio cover, all kinds of stuff. Check us out. We even do masonry and mortar on bricks, siding, James Hardie siding. Check out our website, moreconstructionco.com. Co stands for company. More Construction Company out of Carrollton. Miguel signing off. Thanks.